welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I help you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings without all the stressful planning. Today we're making my Cherry Delight Baked Brie for a Galentine's Day party. And the whole idea for this baked brie really came from one of my good friends getting me this adorable baked brie dish, and it just seemed like such a clear sign that I needed to make baked brie for Galentine's Day. And then obviously when you're thinking of the flavors that really come to mind at Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day, cherry is such an obvious one, and so I really wanted to incorporate that into this baked brie. So then I took inspiration from the dessert Cherry Delight. So we have a cherry pie filling in here, and we're gonna make a graham cracker crumble topping, and it's just gonna be such a delicious baked brie. So here's what you're gonna need to get started. 1 frozen puff pastry that has been thawed according to the directions on the package, 1 8-ounce brie wheel, a half a cup of chopped walnuts, 1 cup of cherry pie filling, a half a cup of cinnamon graham crackers that have been all crushed up, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has been melted, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of water. So to get started, we're going to take those cinnamon graham crackers that have been all crushed up, and we're going to add our melted butter. Now we're just going to stir this all up until it's well combined. Okay, now that we have our graham cracker crumble topping all set, we're going to go ahead and set it aside. And now in another bowl, we're going to combine our large egg and our water. And now we'll just go ahead and whisk this together to make our egg wash. And now we'll go ahead and set this aside as well. So now we're going to roll out our thawed puff pastry. So you're going to want to do this on a floured surface, and then also you'll want to flour your rolling pin as well. And now we'll just place our brie wheel at the center of our puff pastry, and then we're going to pour our cherry pie filling on top of our brie. And now we'll add our cinnamon graham cracker crumble on top of our cherries and brie. And now we'll just top it off with our chopped walnuts. And now we're going to go ahead and start folding our puff pastry over top of our baked brie, one corner at a time. And then once we have that up over top of it, we're just going to take our egg wash and brush it over top. And now we'll take another corner and fold it over top. And again, we'll brush it with our egg wash. And then we'll take another corner and fold it up over top. And again, we'll brush it with our egg wash. And again, we'll take that last corner and fold it up over our brie. And again, we'll cover it with our egg wash. And now we're going to go ahead and transfer this into our baked brie dish that has been greased. Now we'll just go ahead and score the top of our dough. And now I'm going to go ahead and bake this in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes until our dough is fully cooked. And here we have it, our Cherry Delight Baked Brie. Let's give it a little try. That is so delicious. It's sweet, it's savory, it's so good. You and your friends are sure to love it. I'll see you next time.